What's up YouTube? It's your girl Maya back again with another video, and today is day 13 of being on quarantine and I'm losing my mind in this house, so I have to occupy myself somehow. So today I'm going to be painting these jeans that I have from Zara. They're like these old jeans that I don't really wear anymore that much. They're just ripped at the knee and they're just plain. So I thought my creative mind could paint on these jeans and, you know, occupy myself. I hope everyone's staying safe and staying inside. So this is an easy project you can do in the house. And let's just get into this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with all your friends, and let's go. So I'm wearing a shirt and some sweatpants that I really don't care about because if it gets dirty, I wouldn't be mad. So be mindful about that. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this project are some scissors, a pencil, a paintbrush, some paper, some fabric paint, a towel, and some jeans. Let's go. Alright, so right now I have this history book and I have some paper over here. So I'm just gonna draw some stars and cut them out. Okay, so basically what happened was I tried to do it by myself and it came out like this, and I did not like that at all. So I just Googled a star. Boom. There we go. Let's click that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So now you can basically see what I'm about to do, and I'm about to trace this. So I'm going to take a small paintbrush and my fabric paint, and I'm just going to trace the star onto the jeans with the white paint because I tried to trace it and it didn't work because I couldn't really see it. So now I'm just really going to go for it, and yeah. So now that that's traced, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in and then come back.
Ways to die, choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him, he just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nicki M, I'm in a sticky Benz. That mean it's candy apple red, I'm Barbie, this was Ken. That is a Fendi fact, I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made, Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Ways to die, choose one.
Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely, cause I'm a millionaire, it's pricey. Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely, cause I'm a millionaire, it's pricey.
So this is after I just traced all of them and just put them like on the jeans. I put 2 up there, 2 down here, and then 1 on the ankle because I didn't want to do too much. Like, I didn't want it to be overkill of stars. So this is what I did. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my second coat and my third coat because I want my stars to really pop out of my jeans, and then we'll come back for the next part. So I just took a paper now at this point, and I just laid it over one of the stars, and I'm splattering black paint all over because that's just what I want to do. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I just wanted to add a little bit more to mine. So I just took some paint on the brush, and now I'm just tapping it. So now what I'm about to do is I'm going in with the 2 brushes that I was like throwing paint, like splattering paint. And I'm just gonna add more details. Like right here I messed up just a little bit, but it doesn't even matter because it looks good. Like I like how that looks, this little circle right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the details now with these 2 brushes and just like make more, like create more like splatter effects. Okay, so as of right now, this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna blow dry it dry so I can flip them over and do the other side. So now that we're at the back of the jeans, I'm just gonna take this star that we started with and I taped it down. I put some tape on the back of it and I taped it down so that it wouldn't move while I was trying to paint over it. And now I'm just going to take some white paint and paint my pocket white. Okay, so while that dries, so I can put the second and third coat on top of that, I'm gonna splatter the back of the pants now. So this is what the back looks like. So I'm gonna let them dry and then I'm gonna put them on. All right, so this is the final outcome of them. I'm really obsessed. I actually do love them. So we have the stars, the splatter, then same on the back, the star, and then the splatter. I really love this. I'm an artiste. Who's gonna check me, boo? Nobody. So I'm about to put together 3 outfits that I will wear with these jeans. And then I'm gonna put them on for you guys and let's go. Alright, so this is the outfit. A casual little fit. We have some Yeezys, the jeans we just made, custom, so nobody got them, a nice belt, a black top. So if you want to dress it up and make it a little bit more, you know, fancy, just put some heels on and throw your hair out, put some sunglasses on, more dramatic, and then that way it's like you're not like, it's like effortless kind of, but not, you know what I'm saying? So this time around I have the same jeans, same belt on, same boots. I just have a black turtleneck on now, this trench coat, and then I have these sunglasses on that have a hint of green because I want to break up the colors just a little bit because it's a basic outfit. And when you wear your bag with this, you want to make sure your bag is a color because these are a lot of basic colors. So you want to have like a red, a pink, a green. It'll go with this and it'll break up the colors and make it like, ooh, sis. Yes. So the last look is basically some plain Vans, same jeans, same belt, a graphic tee, some sunglasses. Now you're killing it. Now you're killing it. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That didn't take that long, actually, and I'm really happy with the outcome of my jeans. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you got some inspiration on what to do when you're bored in the house. Like, we're all on quarantine, we're all bored, we're all just losing our minds in here, so why not make the best of it? Stay close to your family members, and remember, if you have to go outside, stay 6 feet away from whoever, because you don't want the cooties. Like, y'all can have that. I don't want that. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with all of your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.